Hello, guys. Welcome to the stream. Hope you guys are doing good. Hope my audio is clear. I'm live and my screen is clear. I hope. Okay, perfect. Let me settle. Okay, like I've changed my audio settings and audio is clear, right, guys? So, like, how was your week so far? Yesterday was a clean trading day. We had a lot of chaos inside the Discord, but that's fine. Okay, perfect. So yesterday was a blank holiday. I mean, bank holiday. Despite of we having a bank holiday, it was, like there was a clear shot indeed. It was a clean 120 point shot, I guess. Is around one. Yes, perfect. Exactly around 120 point a shot, almost at the open 9:30 open, and then it was kind of full choppiness ahead. And today, market open post bank holiday. We are back inside the range, back inside the whole range. Price gone a year. We had a tiny lesser SMT at these lows. Then price expanded too much. After hey, this expansion was around what the London lunchtime. Whole NY kill zone was choppy, and we had this drastic drop. Drop around the close of London, and then price started expanding higher. So we just go from higher time frame. We'll do that top down analysis in a bit. Let people come in. Let people come in. Must sip some water. I just had some sweet. I had I guess if you guys know what do I call that? Lava laddu. I had that and some carrot halwa. It's stuck in my mouth. I'll wash my mouth and I'll be come back in a bit. So I'm back, guys. I'm back. Oh, that's rava laddu, right? Like that slang has become lava laddu. Okay, rava laddu. I had that and I just rinsed my mouth off. So I guess we'll just get started. And we'll as like we used to do. We'll just go from. I got my new mouse, guys. That's so good for trading. See, it has infinite scrolling. It's so good. Okay, I got the MX Master 2S. Okay, we'll just go with the top-down analysis and yeah, party or it's gonna be a miserable end. I don't know. It's going to be a happy end or miserable end. I don't know. But either way, I'm so happy for the performance of this particular week. I had two winning days, and if I get another losing day here, it would be like 66% win rate for me for the whole week. 63 or 66. I'm not sure. 33 plus 33 is 36, right? 36 or 30. Whatever. Like I had two winning days and one losing day is completely fine for me. In fact, I'm expecting to take an SL here, but that's completely fine. This week was a blessing for me. I would tell that despite being hard conditions, I was able to navigate price action pretty well. I had very good trades on Monday and Tuesday as well. It was both long trades. If I mean Wednesday was a clean trade day. I mean there was a clean short and it was a clean long. Thursday we had a clean short, and Friday I'm not sure what we're gonna get. Yesterday was a bank holiday. There's gonna be hell lot of volatility injection around 9:30. I'm gonna take a single trade. I'll do my best to manage it to the fullest. Let's see how things goes. The least thing which is in our favor is that we can enter, put our stop loss, and place our TPs. I mean orders. That is the least we could do. But yes, just go to the top down analysis, and as you can see, I've been calling off these higher prices until new all time highs. So I'm just looking for the same right now. It's the same. I'm looking for these all time highs, and is there something else I could see in the higher time frame? It's monthly time frame. I'll just go add a 2 degrees indicator right here so that you'll be able to see. You can see the ticker and time frame here. Okay. So what else we can see here? I can see that the price is trading above the previous. I'll put that right there. Okay. I can see that price is trading around previous month's highs, and that's in close proximity to that. So I'll add that as well. I'll do some different colors for that. I'll put that to previous monthly highs because it is in close proximity with price, current market price. Current market price is trading in close proximity with this previous month's highs. That is one thing which I could see, and all I can see is that we have really smooth relative equal highs around here. I have marked that because of visibility it has been gone, but when we drop into lower time frame you'll be able to see. Yes, now we are able to see that we have a buy side liquidity here. We have a previous month's highs here. Price has been slowly grinding higher, and as you can see that price this week, this is weekly time frame. I switch my time frame to weekly time frame. I don't keep my BADJ on and set on. When I come to lower time frame it would be it would make sense, or yeah, I don't keep it on, guys. I don't keep it on. Very rarely I keep them on because of the daily gaps which is in close proximity, but right now there is no close proximity gaps. I'm keeping them off. Mostly I'll keep them off. Mostly, very rarely I keep them on, but for now I'm keeping it off. You can see that we have this weekly highs that has not been fulfilled yet. So for me today, if price has to go higher, or I mean price has to go higher to attack this buy side liquidity, that's the all time highs. Price has to go through this rejection block first, and then it has to go through this. So maybe in lower time frame, if price gets to these, if price there is an engineer liquidity, price breaks that engineer liquidity and goes to these level, which is this rejection block, and also the new week opening gaps fulfill, we'll get a good short scalp maybe if time aligns perfect. Let's go to daily time frame. I'll go to monthly, I mean weekly again. Is there something else I could see? Is there something I could see? Lows has been taken, and we have a pretty good SMT at these lows with YM. We have the SMT with week plus 2 candle. Week plus 2. Weekly time frame. And we have our weekly time frame. So yes, we have an SMT at the lows. I am looking for buys. Bro, today live stream schedule, bro. I forgot to tell you, bro. Sorry. We had a schedule today. I totally forgot. And going into daily, I have my first liquidity pull of the previous day's highs first. So that would be my first priority. That price is going to the previous a day's high. That would be the low hanging fruit as well. Price has just crossed the trading above the consequent encroachment of the previous candles wick. I mean the upper wick. So I'm just aiming for that for now. That's my low hanging fruit objective for today. I guess we have an SMT at the daily lows as well. Yes, I guess we have an SMT at the lows. This lows has been taken. These lows has been taken. Okay, we have a huge SMT at the. I mean, what the lows? We have a huge SMT. We have a huge SMT at the lows. I'm expecting higher prices with all these SMT being there at the lower time frame. The this thing is there, but still, looking at the daily time frame and the order flow, I feel price is bullish, guys. No full porting Friday. I'm gonna keep my risk very tight, very tight. Let's get into 6 hour time frame. 6 hour time frame has expanded. That here is another problem, guys. Okay, here is another problem. I'll tell you why this could be a low probability condition. We had a VIX expiry like yesterday, if I'm not wrong. I'm not a complete US guy, but with the sources I had, I saw that there was a VIX expiry of Wednesday or Thursday. I'm not really sure about it. But just looking at the price action right now, we had a open. From the open, price has been going higher. Just from the open, price has been going higher. This daily candle has factored in the previous candle's price action. There is no Thursday's candle. We have a Wednesday candle. We have a Friday candle. We don't have Thursday's candle, but we have factored in Thursday's price action into this particular daily candle of Wednesday. So when you're going into the 6 hour time frame, well, I mean 6 hour time frame is the bread and butter time frame for me. That's my intermediate time frame. We have, let's see if there is an SMT, Kraken correlation, whatever you want to call. Let's see if there is something. The lows has been taken out pretty much. Yes, there is an SMT with YM. There is an SMT with YM. And but that's a pretty huge SMT. We had this SMT, and here the lows has not been taken. So that's a pretty cool SMT right there. But the major thing is that my intermediate time frame, which I'll be using to frame trades, has been expanded. It has expanded so much. Still, I'm looking for all these buy side liquidity, but I need what I want to see is that I need a manipulation at 9:30 open to some sort of discount, and then I want higher prices. So that is my expectations for today. So we had this good gap. The Asian lows, I mean 2022 candles lows has been swept, and we've seen a pretty good displacement right there. That's my 4 hour time frame. I don't see anything in 4 hour time frame for now, at least. We had this huge expansion